Welcome to our glamping site. This is Palawan Island of El Nido, and this is our unit. Show you our glamping site. As we come inside, Anthony is just chilling at the outdoor deck. We just had a rain in the jungle. Anthony, what are you looking?
The best view ever.
The best view ever. Okay, we're gonna wait just a little bit until the view. Anthony, follow along. Let's go where Jason is. This is our glamping unit. Mama is enjoying her time. And this is where Jason is. Jason, how you doing?
Good.
What are you looking?
At the amazing view of the Palawan Islands.
Amazing view of the Palawan Island. Anthony, go over there and sit. And this is the amazing view of Palawan from our glamping site. Woo! Wow. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We just had a tropical rain. And this is the view we wake up to from inside. Wow. Beautiful. And this is our jungle glass tent, they call it. All right. Jason, you want to show us inside?
I think
Mom is going to do that, okay? Enjoy the view, you guys. We'll be going swimming soon. Okay, Mommy. Open the room for us. So our jungle glass tent. All right, Mom, show us around. So what is this first place?
Glamping.
Wow. And it seems like it's Jason and Anthony's bed. Wow, this is, what theme is this?
I don't know. Traditional Filipino culture.
Wow, it's like very jungle-ish. Tarzan and Jane's bed, it seems though. And we have our locker. Beautiful background. The bed rest, our shower. Ooh, everything is just open. Nature. This is a shower. Wow. Very earthy. Very Tarzan and Jane looking, and in the back everything is open. This is our glamping site. And the most important thing is, when Jay wakes up, this is the view that we'll be seeing as we wake up. Okay, we will soon fly the drone and show you what we see. All right. Have a good restful tour. I love this vibe. Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye. Wanted to show you guys this real quick, though. This is like Filipino xylophone in the room.
Jason.
Because you can't find it.
Hey, where are you going? Swimming pool. Wow.
From that side. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Dang, why did it start?
So are we coming back to Philippines again in the future?
Almost like my Daisy.
Oh, really? Okay, that's gonna be a secret between our family, okay? Why are you guys so happy today?
They're bullying me.
You know, what did they eat today? Oh, too much ice cream, right?
They are bullying me.
Too much ice cream. Peaceful night. Glamping in the center of Pacific Ocean. Beautiful sound. The fun part about our glamping site is there is no protection right here. It's just fallen. The view. And this is our big old tent. This is where we relax at night. Quiet.